47 small block Ford. Just got done dynoing and everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our cylinder heads on it. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller, custom pistons, the Edelbrock air gap SS 650 MSD Pro Billet, CVF front end on it. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Already down 3,500 or 394 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a Pete's torque 410. Pete's horsepower 411. We're in at 425. Front end on it. These wide belt front ends are usually a good 20 horsepower, so everything's good. We'll get in a crate. I think it's going to Hong Kong. So have a great day.